Welcome. In this session, we'll explore how to convert a string into a snake case using JavaScript. Snake cases is useful for variable names, database fields, and URLs. Let's get started. Our objective is to transform a string into a snake case by breaking it into words, converting them into lowercase, and joining them with underscores. This function uses a regex pattern to extract words from a string, converts them to lowercase, and joins them using underscores. This method ensures that words are properly extracted, transformed to lowercase, and combined into the correct format. Here are different cases, including camel case, spaces, underscores, and mixed formatting. The function correctly handles all of them. Snake case is commonly used in databases, file names, and API endpoints to ensure consistency and readability. In summary, by following this approach, we can ensure reliable and consistent snake case formatting in various applications. Thank you for following along. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.